Hello friends, today I am going to share you with another trading strategy. This is very simple trading strategy. For this strategy, I pick Adani Enterprises. Why I choose this stock means there are some reasons. The first reason is my jackpot scanner is pick these stocks. Jackpot scanner pick the stocks which are having good movement with a high performance. Adani Enterprise previous day show high performance with good volume. That's why that jackpot scanner pick the stocks. And another reason is OBV, on balance volume. Those who don't know about this on balance volume indicator, you just search it on YouTube. Last year I made a video about this on balance volume, so you can see it's already break the on balance volume here, so that trend is up. That's just two reasons I choose these stocks for day trading. And the next day opening, I just wait for the 10 minutes because opening 10 minutes is market highly volatile. That's why I just wait. After market open, I mark the 5 minutes candle, opening 5 minutes candle high and low, and here high is break. That means the stock is buy trend, so we can buy at that level. 152.65 level is the buy level. And stop loss is placed below the low, 5 minutes candle low. So 149.75 is the low. Target I'm going to place 155.75. That is the target level. So 1:1 ratio. Okay, let's wait. The stock is already in uptrend. That's why we choose only buy side only. See, our target is hit 155.75. Our target is hit. After it's jumped to 157.30 level. So after some time again it's break to that level and stuck to 160 level. So this is a jackpot strategy also. If you have any doubt, do send a mail to nicholasnilo2070@gmail.com. Also visit my website www.nicholasnilo.com. Thank you for watching. I will be back with another trading strategy. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.